Lesson Order of Operations. My name is Mr. Loftus. I'd like you to set up your notes with a goal at the top, that is to solve problems using order of operations. Make a column for questions down the side and put a space for a conclusion at the bottom. I'd like you to turn to lesson 1.1, it's page 3, and you'll find the order of operations listed on page 3. And I'd like you to list the 4 order of operations. The first one is find the value of expressions inside grouping symbols such as parentheses, absolute value bars, and fraction bars. The second one is find the value of all powers. The third one, multiply and divide from left to right. And the fourth in the order of operations is add and subtract from left to right. Go ahead and take a minute and list those 4. Our first example is 24 plus 6 times 4. I've highlighted the 6 times 4 because that's what we're going to do first. 6 times 4 is 24. I just copy down the 24 that's listed first. I haven't done anything with that addition. Notice that there are no grouping symbols, fraction bars, or powers, so we didn't have to do that. The next thing we're going to do is add 24 plus 24, and the answer is 48. Example 2 is 5 squared times parentheses 2 plus 6, and I've highlighted 2 plus 6 because that's in grouping symbols, and that's what we do first. 2 plus 6 is 8. The next in the order of operations is powers, so I'll do 5 squared. It's a power. 5 squared is 25. We still multiply that by 8. And get an answer of 200. That's our final answer. I like to put a funnel picture to show that as you use the order of operations, we're going top to bottom, left to right, and it's all converging on one number. Our third example is a bit of a puzzle. Fill in the operations that make this problem correct. 9 either times, divided, added, or subtracted. Put an operation where the blank is in this area right here. And the same for between the 4 and the 6. Add an operation, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, so that this becomes true, using order of operations. We'll discuss the answer to this in class. Our fourth example is 3 to the 3rd power plus 9 divided by 2 times 3. The first thing I highlight is 3 to the 3rd power because that is a power. it seems like there's no parentheses here, and we'll discuss that in a minute. So I just rewrite 3 to the third power is 27 plus 9 divided by 2 times 3. Now the line between the top and the bottom is technically a grouping symbol. So that's what we're going to be doing. 27 plus 9 is 36. And we copy down the 2 times 3, which we do next. 2 times 3 is 6. And finally 36 divided by 6 is 6. And again, I'd like to show not only that we're going left to right, but we're going top to bottom, and we're converging on just one number.